This is Shivam from 9th standard. So currently I'm a student of Sankat Mochan group of institution, and today I'm presented here for having my topic, that is nucleus, and it's a wonderful topic of biology. So here I've written a word nucleus. So let's break it. What does nucleus exactly mean? So just like that, our body is totally controlled by our brain. Similarly, a cell is controlled by nucleus. So we can say that nucleus is also known as brain of cell, master of cell, or heart of cell, because it controls all the activity that occurs inside the cell. As I've said that similarly, as our body is controlled by brain, same like that a cell is controlled by nucleus. That is, it manages all the activity that occurs inside the cell. Now let's talk about the discovery of cell. Now we will be talking about who first discovered cell. So let's break it. So the nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Means, so Robert Brown was a philosopher, or we can say he was a biologist who first discovered or who first observed nucleus in 1831. Now let's talk about number of nucleus. So in general, the single nucleus present in a cell, like take example of animal cell, like a typical animal cell have one nucleus. So in context, we can say that a cell having single nucleus is known as uninucleate. One nucleus is equal to uninucleate. Uninucleate. cut करो. Yes. So a cell having single nucleus is known as uninucleate. I said single nucleus means one nucleus. All the organism in which where the cell considered one nucleus is known as uninucleate. Like typically a plant and animal cell having one nucleus. Let's talk about, two nucleus, micronucleus and macronucleus are present in paramecium. What is paramecium? Paramecium is a protista. What is protista? Protista is the most primitive unicellular eukaryote. We will be talking about the most primitive unicellular prokaryote. It's a bacteria, but when it's the most primitive unicellular eukaryote, it's a protista, and protista paramecium is an example. Now in various cells such as latex cell of plant cell and muscle of animal cell, more than two nucleus are present. It means they are multinucleated. What they are? They are multinucleated. They are multinucleated. They are multinucleated. It means the cell is having more than two nucleus. For example, I have said like muscle cell or latex cell. ये एनिमल सेल है और ये प्लांट सेल है. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's talk about what is the function of nucleus. So first, the main function of the nucleus is to control all the activity. That is also known as master of the cell. That's why. Thank you. Have a nice day.